Diwali, Diwali.
Annie, you all got so nice one.
Yes, this looks so nice. Okay guys, hello, peace from Africa, Gabs here. So you can hear it, right? You get it. You know what what is it now? I am in Shillong, guys. That is Northeast India, guys. And you know, Diwali is so big in other states like South India, North. But yeah, so I almost miss celebrating Diwali. But thanks to this family, we are going to make it, guys. This is the second day, guys, of Diwali. So we are going to celebrate together with them here. So happy Diwali to all the Indian here. You know, this is the festival of light, meaning peace and happiness, guys. So love from Africa. Okay, thank you. Happy. In Nepal, Diwali, you say?
Diwali.
Diwali. Diya.
Tihar.
Tihar. Okay. So, is there anyone who knows English here?
Yes, everyone.
Can you please explain about this tradition, this culture?
It's kind of blessing.
Hey, 1 minute, challenge. Yes, hello brother. Hi. How are you?
I'm good.
Fine. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Yeah, I'm just curious to know about this tradition, the culture, like what's.
This is basically a culture of Nepal.
Okay.
So we are not in Nepal, we are in India.
Yes.
So but we are Nepali, so we are just following this culture, which
Okay.
has been going by our ancestor.
Okay.
So this is simply this is a
Come this side, please. This side.
this is actually tradition and also a blessing. So people want we to come and play in their house. It's like we bring all the blessings and musics and dance all with everything.
Okay. So see, basically, this is like
This
you are
is-
offering
No,
something.
they are gratitude us with the greetings of all these things to us. Thanks for
Okay.
coming to their house.
Okay. What about the money? Like.
The money we will take it and we will picnic after that. We'll go for trip.
Nice.
All the people who are here will go for trip.
Okay. So okay, guys. As African guys, it's my first time to experience the Diwali celebration of Nepali.
Yes.
I know about Indian,
Huh.
the Hindu in India. I know how they celebrate Diwali, but for Nepalis, it's little different. I'm seeing the.
This is the culture.
Yes, the culture is
this is a culture
little
slightly
different.
Yes.
Yeah,
We go
same
to people's
festival, but-
house and we play music, we dance, we give blessing to them. And now the blessing will start now. We will sing now a blessing to their house.
Okay. So this is so amazing, guys. It's first time to know, and I'm so happy to share and celebrate with them. So thank you so much. Happy Diwali. God bless you all. Enjoy the festival of light. Okay, thank you.
Now
Enjoy.
you can see the blessing. Now we'll give the blessing.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, bro. We are from Shillong. Yo, bro.
को
Hey,
Like this, like this.
Happy Diwali, Diwali, Happy Diwali. Leave it, don't kick.
I don't like that.
We'll collect here. So that it will be easy to collect. Like it here. Take. You like it? This one. It's so fun, but me, I don't like crackers. Yeah. Happy Diwali, guys! Yeah, I can't miss to celebrate with you guys. Yeah, you guys support me all the time. You keep supporting my channel for sure. I have to celebrate with you. I have to support you. We have to cheers and enjoy the moment together.
This is the real tradition.
Okay, Nepali. Can you tell me about this?
This is shell roti. It's made up of wheat, rice, mixed with suji.
This is for prayer.
This is for prayer. This
Prayer.
is prayer.
Okay.
They will pray for us. We are just giving them our blessing also, and they will give us their blessing.
Okay,
Also. That's our thing.
this is like you're giving
This is-
blessing
This is the real tradition
of Nepali.
of Nepali. Just
Okay.
come.
Okay, thank you.
शेडिङ गर्छ जो स्पिकर हान्नु लाग्यो जो हान्नु त्यहाँ राख्नु शेडिङ गर्नु लाग्यो लाइक बक्स गरिराख्नु
So now next you will go where? Another place. Okay, another house. Okay. So this is my first experience witnessing the Diwali celebration of Nepalis in India, guys. Yeah, it's little different compared to the Indian one, but it's the same festival, guys. But here, like, what I saw different is that, like, for Nepali people, they when they are doing their cultural, the traditional stuff, like you see, the food, the rice, they keep the money. Then they have to go every other places, like the door. They have to visit door by door and to have the traditional stuff. Yeah. Yeah, say hi. You are not in the camera. Yeah, it's my new friend, guys. He's very friendly. Yeah. Tell them your name.
My name is Divansh.
Yeah, this is Divansh, and tell them Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali.
Diwali.
Akasai mat, sara tinay hun,